Hi friends, I just received my new LED replacement light bulbs for my car. These replacement light bulbs are good for almost any car. You can select the ones that fits your car. It is super easy to install. Just change the main bulb in the lighting fixture of your car. This is a super strong LED light, up to 700% more intensity than other lights, and it will give you more lighting distance, up to 1800 feet. They have this aluminum case ventilator, so the heat that they produce will be easily dissipated, and you can get up to 65,000 hours of lighting use. So if you need a replacement for your car's light bulb, I think this is a great option. Let's try it in the car. Thank you. Okay, we're going to install the lights, the new lights in our car here. As you can see, okay. It's kind of easy to install them. Just plug them in the car's plug. The lights have a ventilator, so they won't heat up more than they should. And there it is. You see, it's already plugged, and the light is on. And we're going to put it inside the car's light, so you can see how strong light you get. Look at that. It moves because we are still installing it, okay? As you can see, it's a great car light, and it was really easy to install it. So if you need to replace your light, your car light bulbs, these are a very nice option. And remember, they have a cooling system, so they will undergo any harsh heat and strong heat situations. Thank you.